What's up YouTube? Crafting Cars here. Today we're going to be showing you how to replace the fog lights on your 2011 Jeep Patriot and upgrade them at the same time. So the new light I'm putting in today is going to be a 2054 bulb I bought from Amazon.com for $24 a set. Made by Aloe Lighting. Ooh, that's crispy. So in order to gain access to your fog light bulb, you're going to have to reach to the vents on the bottom of the bumper. Alright, once you can see inside here, you'll notice this is where your fog light harness is attached, right to the plastic clip on the end of your bulb. You can go ahead and remove this all at once by pressing down on this top tab. The top should rock out just like that. And then you have to reach down to this bottom tab. It's a little bit harder to get at. Just like that. You can take your old bulb out. So now you're gonna go ahead and remove the bulb from the harness. All you gotta do is push down on this plastic tab here. Should come off just like that. So when you're installing your new bulb, you wanna make sure that this rubber seal is still in place. You can take your new bulb, line it up with the plastic harness. Just like that, should snap into place. Alright, now that you got your bulb reattached to your harness, we're good to go ahead and stick it in the honey hole.
After you found the honey hole?
Still looking, Gideon. So what you're going to want to do is line up these two ridges here with the center of the vehicle. At this point it's facing me. And you should just pop right in. Just like that. And there you have it, your bulb is in place, and you're going to want to do the exact same thing on the other side. It is exactly identical. So here's a closer look at that old bulb I pulled out. As you can see, pretty burnt up. We don't need to use this anymore. Alright, so now Gideon's going to go ahead and turn on the fog lights, and we're going to see how they look. Oh wow. So these bulbs are very, very yellow, and I'm going to be posting some pictures to show it in more detail. Alright, so we're all finished with this install. And I think it looks pretty good. It gives that JDM vibe to my not so JDM vehicle. Also be really nice for off-roading, which I don't do a lot of. And I say for 24 bucks, it's just as cheap as any set of fog lights that you get at O'Reilly's or AutoZone or anything like that. So I'd say 8 out of 10 would definitely recommend to a friend. And also, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, comment down below, and stay tuned for more videos.